My name is Miles Johnson, and I'm 11 years old. 90% of 4th through 9th graders report being victims of bullying. At the end of the year, 1 in every 10 students will drop out of school, a place that they are meant to feel safe and valued. 64% of teenagers have prescription painkillers that they've got from someone else. More teenagers die from taking prescription drugs than cocaine and heroin combined. Every day in the U.S., almost 3,900 students under the age of 18 smoke their first cigarette. After that first cigarette, 1 in 4 of those students will start smoking daily. Half of those students will end up dying. It feels like being trapped. The culture we live in doesn't even seem to care, like this is just some part of life. But imagine if it was different. Imagine if kids didn't have to be afraid of other students or not fitting in. We learn to cope, and we learn to make do with the pain. But what if teachers or coaches and parents, or even other students, started stepping in to make a change and look after each other? If we could end it, why shouldn't we?